G'day fellas, I'm on holidays at the moment, actually doing a lap of Australia. Laptop's been a piece of junk, so I can't edit very well. So I'm just going to try and do this in one take for you. So if you are off grid, which we're not at the moment, but if you are, this is the best way to wash your clothes, I reckon. It's called a Scrubba bag. You get them online. Heaps of places have them. There's a website on it anyway if you want it. And it's just a bag, but it's got this textured inside. All you do is chuck all your dirty clothes in there, fill the water up, to a certain level on the bag. And then what you do, I'm going to come over here, is so it's got a system on top, just like the bags you get, like those wet dry bags that you normally take, you know, jet skiing, or if you're out on the boat or places like that. So anyway, you roll it down, clip the ends, which I'm going to try and do with one hand. Come on, mate. You can undo brass straps with one hand. You can clip this back up. Oh, there you go. And then it's got a valve here. Yeah, so you wind it out, and then you're supposed to get all the air out. And then do it back up. And here's the easy bit. I position it so that the textured pad's on the bottom, and you just do this with it. The bag recommends, let's have a look at the instructions so you can see. So fill, roll and clip, deflate, rub, 30 seconds to 3 minutes. Yeah, so this is the stuff, wool wash. That's the stuff we use anyway.
Like $2.50.
$2.50, Mrs. says. And it smells like eucalyptus. That, to me, that's it. I get a bit sick of the smell, but it's called wool wash. You don't have to rinse it. That's the best bit. So you just wash like this, empty the water out, and hang it out. You don't have to rinse, but I do. I just empty the water out. Just put clean water in again, give it another 30 seconds, and then, yeah, hang them out. Oh, we got these really cool clip things as well for the gazebo. We got them from Aldi actually, which I know a lot of places don't have Aldi, but yeah, they're pretty handy. Probably get them off eBay for $1. So the Scrubba bag's not cheap. It's like $70 delivered, I think, and it's pretty expensive. But if you want to see or know a bit of a hack, so you can get these dry bags from Kmart. They're pretty cheap. They're like $10, and just get a scaling bag, a fish scaling bag. Ask your man where to get these from, fishing shop. And so if you put all your washing into this, and then put that into the this bag, it has the exact same type of roll and clip lid that the Scrubba bag has. So you pretty much got yourself a budget Scrubba bag for under $20. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.